The West Indies were left struggling at 137 for 6 at the end of day 2 of the third and final test against England at Old Trafford in Manchester. As Simon Preston reports, the Caribbean side trails England by 232 runs.
England stamped their authority on day 1, but on the morning session of day 2, the West Indies flexed their muscles with the ball as they dismissed England for 369. The West Indies took the last 6 wickets for 111 runs. In the process, Kemar Roach brought up his 200th and 201st Test wicket, and the Bajan now sits just 1 behind Sir Andy Roberts in the all-time West Indian wicket-takers list in Test cricket. Shannon Gabriel was also key in the dismissal of Ollie Pope, who top-scored for England with 91. Gabriel also removed the dangerous Jos Buttler for 67, while Ruston Chase and Jason Holder took the last 2 wickets, removing Stuart Broad and James Anderson for 62 and 11 respectively. West Indies' highest first wicket partnership in this series has not surpassed 43, and once again it failed to offer substance as Craig Brathwaite was removed by Broad for 1. Jamaican John Campbell again had a start, but once more it wasn't cemented into a half-century as he departed for 32 off the bowling of Jofra Archer. Shortly after, the middle order suffered a wobble as the Windies lost their next 3 wickets for just 29 runs. Anderson removed Shea Hope and Shamar Brooks for 17 and 4 respectively, while Broad returned to dismiss Ruston Chase leg before for 9. Blackwood came and produced 3 boundaries, but he too was sent back to the pavilion for 26 as he was bowled by Chris Wokes. Bad light denied the English from adding more salt into the wounds of the Caribbean side as the Bajan duo of Jason Holder and Shane Dorich were left unbeaten at the close of play on 24 and 10 respectively. The West Indies will need another 33 runs to avoid the follow-on Sunday's third day. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.